Alright, let's play with slime. Which color do you want? I'm gonna go with the yellow one.
Oh, do you know what I'm gonna use? A pretty one.
Which one?
This one.
Oh, purple.
Yeah.
It's my favorite color.
Oh, look!
Cool.
I can't
This smells
stop.
really nice. What does yours smell?
Smell it!
Wow. Does it say what it smells of? With cherry smell.
What?
Cool.
Look.
Oh, you got a little bubble. Sorry. I'm gonna make a bubble from slime.
I can make something different, not a bubble.
Alright. I used to do this when I was a kid. A little girl.
Me too.
You are a little girl. Oh, didn't work that good. Oh, come on. Try this side. Doesn't work. Are you okay? What's wrong? Do you want me to help you? What happened? We're just playing with slime. Look at this. Look. Ooh. Ew, sounds like farts. Slimy. Let me see yours. Yours is better than mine. Looks prettier. See?
Stop.
Let's try one more bubble. It doesn't stretch anymore that well. What happened? Come on. Show me how you make your bubble. You need to help me. Come here. Can you help me? You need to blow from this side. You need to help me. Come on. Can you help me? You blow from this side. Come on.
Okay.
Go. Oh, you've got a hole in there. Okay, let's patch that up.
That much.
Yeah. Hold on.
Oh, look at that one. Oh, look at that one. Mommy.
Yeah, you did it. I only got a little one. What else can we do with these slimes?
Look at my slime.
Yours is way nicer than mine.
Look at this. Hold it like this.
You didn't stretch that. You need to do it like this and let it flow all the way.
Let me try. And we could do.
Mine doesn't do it anymore.
Dad, stretch it up
Okay.
like this, like me.
And then we can do this. No, doesn't work.
We need more stretch. Look at mine.
Yeah, that's way cool.
Oh, I have a hole. Look, Mommy, look. Hello.
Hi.
But whoa, look at the table.
I know, it
Look.
looks like the table's purple.
Yeah. I wanted to use this pink color, but doesn't matter. Right? Right?
Yeah.
Look at Look, it's so slimy.
What?
It's like slimy, Mom.
What is that?
It's like
Do you mean so
slimy.
slimy?
Yep.
All right, come closer to me.
Look, like a mom. No, do this. Hey! Whoa, look at the table now. Mommy,
Oh, it doesn't work that well anymore.
look at the table now. Purpley.
Did you hear that?
Like a pond. And like poop. And like a toilet. Mommy. Yeah, like a poo poo.
I want to try a different color.
Me too.
Just spit on my face.
Look at this.
Oh, it doesn't do it anymore.
Yucky like salty.
Can you? I'm crying.
Stop it, slime.
These are funny slimes.
Mommy, try a different color. I can try a different color.
You
too.
try this one.
Okay.
Ew, stop farting.
I'm not farting.
You are.
I know.
It says crunchy slime. Why does it say crunchy slime? With orange smell. Let's try this one.
Look at this,
Let
Mommy.
me smell it.
It's cocoa.
I'm gonna translate. She just said it smells like poop.
Like a pea.
It smells. It doesn't smell as good.
I can start some blue.
Alright.
That look like light. Mom, can you help me? Oh, I don't know. Whoa, look at this.
Does it say it smells of anything? Nope.
Mine doesn't. It's weird smell,
It smells like this one.
but the smell it's a... No.
Oh, it broke.
Ay! Mommy.
Yep.
Similar. This stupid mama. Mommy,
Yep.
do you want to see something?
Yeah.
Look. Wait.
Oh no. Ew.
My poor thing.
Look.
A bubble.
Hey. I think you're supposed to do it like this. No?